What will happen if we remove all the forest considering the amount of trees removal on daily basis? Does the heat feel more intense this year even after Diwali? The change is undeniable. Yet if we keep ignoring these warning signs, our planet and all of us on it could face a gradual decline. Hi, I am Ankita and welcome to Ankita Selects. Today we are diving into a critical question. What will happen if we keep removing these forests at this alarming rate? Let's unpack what deforestation really means for us and explore a unique, inspiring solution that is making a difference. India has lost 4,14,000 hectares of forest from 2002 to 2023. That's 18% of its tree cover. This has added an average of 51 million tons of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere every year, disrupting the nature's balance and accelerating climate change. And in 2023 alone, India saw the highest tree cover loss in 6 years. It's like watching a slow decline in the health of our planet, impacting us in more ways than we can see. Though we are all aware, it's worth reminding each other that deforestation not only impacts the environment but also threatens the human life itself. Deforestation goes beyond cutting down trees. It's eroding the very soil that supports life, causing landslides and floods. Deforestation is also fueling the climate crisis. When we remove trees, we release carbon dioxide into the air, warming our planet and leading to dangerous consequences. Glaciers melting, sea levels rising, disrupted agriculture, and threats to our food supply. It's a chain reaction that affects us all. Forests are home to over 80% of the world's wildlife and countless local communities. When we destroy forests, we not only disrupt ecosystems but also put entire species and human cultures at risk. Whether or not we live near a forest, trees are essential for life on Earth. Large scale deforestation is driven by factors like animal agriculture, livestock ranching for meat production, mining, urbanization, and paper production. Today we are going to discuss about one of the factors, and that is paper. According to data from PacMate, about 15.3 billion trees are cut down each year, with around 4 billion used specifically for traditional paper production. This means 17 large trees are needed to produce just 1 ton of paper, and the average family consumes a paper equivalent to 6 trees annually. This reality highlights the urgent need of recycled paper, which can help reduce the demand of cutting down trees. But what if there was a way to produce papers without harming our forest? Here's where PacMate, an eco-conscious startup founded by Nanish and Shraddha, steps in. Inspired by their desire to live sustainably, they started producing 100% recycled paper, turning waste paper into new products without harming trees. Shraddha Pasari, inspired by her own sustainable lifestyle, wanted to bring this approach to a larger audience. In an interview with Startuppedia, she shared, "We come from a generation where our parents reused jam jars and other bottles and wrapped gifts in newspaper. Meanwhile, her husband Nanish had experience working with his father in paper mills, and Shraddha often requested leftover paper rolls for gift wrapping."
My wife Shraddha used to pack gifts in these sheets left over from the factory, and this used to give the recycled look, and people used to love it. That's when we realized that we can create something impactful.
This small step drew attention, and people started appreciating her eco friendly approach. That's when they saw an opportunity to create a business that would give back to the environment. They poured time and money into research and development, taking a full year to perfect their products. Despite numerous failures and mixed customer feedback, they persevered, continuously improving based on feedback. In an industry dominated by traditional white paper, PacMate introduced a new product category, overcoming challenges like educating consumers about sustainable paper options. Initially, customers asked if the recycled paper could be made brighter or compatible with printers. Their product has been standardized. earning India's first BIS certification for recycled paper. Packmate, a B2C brand, offers a wide range of products, including registers, envelopes, paper bags, food wrap paper, and many other. So, how is Packmate making a difference? First, it is tree-friendly production. Packmate's production process is completely tree-free. Second, environmental impact. According to Packmate, recycled paper production generates 40% fewer greenhouse gases, 73% less air pollution, and produces 20 to 50% fewer carbon emissions than traditional paper. Third, resource savings. Recycling each ton of paper saves about 30,000 liters of water and 3,000 to 4,000 kilowatt of electricity. Fourth, waste reduction. Their initiative diverts paper waste from landfills to recycling plants. Fifth, eco-friendly materials. Packmate uses 100% recycled paper pulp without harmful bleaching chemicals. As of recent data, Packmate has saved approximately 1,100 trees and conserved 8,75,000 liters of water, reducing their carbon footprint by 80%. Financially, they earned rupees 40 lakh in 2023 to 24 despite launching partway through the year, with revenue growing 15 to 20% month over month. They're also expanding internationally with exports to Romania, Dubai, South Africa, and future plans for the UK. The main challenge they face, according to Nanesh, is educating consumers about the value of sustainability. Many aren't willing to pay the same price as they would for traditional paper, not realizing that sustainable products often come with additional cost. Their vision, however, remains clear: to drive a mindset shift towards sustainable and reusable products. Nanesh emphasized that sustainability begins at home and in schools, where students could switch from white paper to eco-friendly tree-free paper. Choosing such sustainable options often means shouldering some responsibility, and it's time we prioritize that responsibility over convenience. So, how do you envision a world without trees? Or more importantly, how do you think we can balance our needs without harming the planet? Let's start this conversation together. Comment below with your thoughts on what sustainable choices we can all make to protect our forest. And don't forget to subscribe to Ankita Selects for more such insights. Share this video across to spread awareness. We'll be meeting you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.